Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner, which is also known the Trinity of Proper Pariksha, that is simplicity, comprehensiveness, and excellence. So, what is unique in our channel, or what is unique about the ways we teach, is that we simplify each and every concept, each and every example, unsolved questions, along with the questions mentioned in the exercise as much as possible so that the weakest and the excellent student both can understand the concept easily. We solve each and every question so that nothing is missed during our lectures. We also give certain exercises as your DIY so that the similar questions can be done on your end without wasting any time and without missing any important concept. The second thing is that there are two people teaching on Proper Pariksha. One is Arslan, who is in front of you. I will be teaching the English medium students from class 6th to class 10th in English. And the second teacher is Hashim. He will be teaching the Hindi medium students from class 6th to class 10th. And soon we'll be starting the classes for the entrance exams such as 6th, 9th, and 12th, like 11th entrance for Jamia and AMU. Also, later on, we'll maybe start the classes for 11th and 12th PCM background. So, why do I propose you the concept of proper pariksha is that there, even though there might be many channels, there might be many educational institutions, including coachings and schools and tutors who might be providing you education or might be clearing your concepts. But our goal is to strive for a society, is to strive for a youth, for a younger generation to get the concepts in the much more clearer manner so that you can have the concepts in your hand, and while you will be proceeding with the upper classes from 6th to 7th to 8th and so on till 12th and BTech and so on, or whatever the field you may choose, you may not find any difficulty when you are going for something new. You must have the methodology prepared in your mind as to how to approach a concept. We do not only provide the concept, definition, examples, and answers, rather, we aim to provide or make a mentality, a mindset of the students so that they can approach the topics on their own using our methods. And that way, every hurdle will be a piece of cake and everything will be much more easy than other people. So we do not only give education, but we guide and we mentor students by our way of teaching. The third thing which is important about us is that we provide additional concepts and concepts beforehand before they are introduced as per the NCERT curriculum, so that when you are on that time or when you get to the moment where you have to learn about that concept, you are not afraid of that concept. That concept is not a foreign entity for you. Rather, you are familiar with it and you will be approaching the concept in a fearless manner and in a brave manner. And that will help your mind to understand the concept much more easily. So, this is also a psychological thing or a psychological factor that is taken into account. So I hope that you will be watching our videos in totality and grasping every concept in detail along with while you will be following the videos as they are uploaded daily from Monday to Friday, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday every week. You will be getting the mindset or the mentality which we strive to achieve or strive to aim for, so that any foreign or any new topic which is introduced to you, you can just grasp it and you can just approach it and you can just tackle it without any difficulty. So the episodes or the videos will be aired Monday to Friday every week. The timing may vary, but it will be generally in the afternoon or the evening time. And I hope that you wish me best of luck and do hit the subscribe button in case you watch our videos and you find them useful, and hit the like button. In case you have any suggestions or in case you have any topics that are not clear to you in spite of our videos, then you might comment that topic in our comment section and we'll definitely revert back to you, and see you in our daily uploads. Till the next time we meet. Bye.